You say hi, Phoebe? You say hi? Phoebe, can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah. That's pretty cool. You're a good stander. How about brother? What's brother doing? You playing the piano, Bubba? Angus, you playing the piano? That's pretty cool. Yeah, can you tell me what you're doing? I'm right here, buddy. I'm over here. Hi, can you tell me what you're doing? Are you playing the piano? Oh, you're worried about sister, huh? There they are in their dog kennel. Guys, look at me. Angus and Phoebe, look at me. Hey, guys. Guys, look at me. Hey, you. Hi, Angus. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Oh, here comes the Phoebers. You say hi? Say hi, baby. You say hi, baby? Look at me. Phoebe, are you ignoring me? Dude, you're totally ignoring me. Okay, well, anyway. There they are.